Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello, everyone. Today I will be helping you with the 20th problem of the Chapter 13 problem set. And so I'm just going to do them in order of what they ask from A to D. So A is asking you to use the symbols P, big P, big L, and little l to construct a representation of the F2 genotypes and complete the column in the second table. So instead of copying the table over here, I'm just going to be labeling them 1 to 4, and that will be representative of the rows. So basically what you want to know is that, so you have, so in the question, it says they cross a true breeding purple plant with long seeds with a true breeding red plant with round seeds. They then performed a self cross between the F1 generation. So if you know the F generation is a self cross, so you know that is going to turn into P, R, and then big L and little l. So, I mean, when I like to do this type of stuff, the different types, you can write them out like every single one, but usually how I do it is, for example, one, when you know that it's going to be a certain one, which is purple long, and you know that purple is going to be dominant over it, so you're going to have P, leave this one open for either a bigger P or an R, and then big L for either a little l right here or big L, and it just leaves the possibility open. Then you have purple round, so again, it's here, but since it's round, it's recessive, so you know both of those. And then you have 3, which is red round, so you know this is RR, red long, and then you have big L, and then an open space. And then you have red round, which is 2 R's, and then 2 little L's. So I hope, so this one, so A is done now. And now you have B, which is asking you to complete the predicted and expected plants. So if they are unleaked, they would think 9 to 3 to 3 to 1. And so when you have 9 to 3 to 3 to 1, this is the ratios that they get from the total that they'd expect. So I just do 9 divided by 16, you get the percentage, and then you'd multiply that by the 6952. And so when you do that, you get the first one was expected at 3911. The next two were 1303 for both of them. And then you had the next one, which is estimated at 435. And then you have C, where it's apply a chi-squared test at a 95% confidence level. And what you will find out is that it's wrong for this type of cross, so that it'd show that it would be linked because of the way that it came out. So then we move on to D, right? And we have, it's asking you to justify the selection of data and the procedure from which the data could be collected that would provide the necessary evidence to confirm the linkage and recombination. So for D, simply what I would say is you have to look at the percentage outcome. So what that means is basically if you have a plant that is linked with, so say red long is linked, and then you get a plant that is blue short, right? Or red short, right? Because that'd be a recombination. And the red short is 5%, and then the red long is 95%. You'd see, maybe that is a linked gene just because it's not specifically following the laws of probability. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.